Hello there. So today is your counting atoms assessment, or basically your final time that we're going to take a look at this. So if you open it up, it's a Google Excel sheet basically, and it's super easy. So take a look at the chemical formula for water under problem number 1, and you have 3 atoms there. So if you put the number 3, a little blue box comes up. Eventually it will reveal a picture for you. Number 2 has 3 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, and 1 nitrogen, so that's 5 total. Pops that one up, and then 4 and 3 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen, so 4. We have a coefficient in front of the chlorine and a subscript, so 2 times 2 is 4. You will know if you have a wrong answer because it won't light up here. Nothing will come up on the picture. So if you go down to the bottom here, that won't take you very long. And then there's a level 2 here that we can do 3 and 3. And so on and so forth. So eventually there will be pictures and that pop up, and it makes a full picture. And once you are done with both levels, please go ahead and submit them in the assignment category or underneath the assignment, and have a fantastic day.